1 minute exercise. Yes, today we are running, alternating some squat endurance postures. So you hold, breathing in, exhaling out, and then run again. Yes, keep running, looking forward, and then bend as low as you can. Squat, and hold, and hold, and hold. Pull your navel towards your spine. You can do it. Yes, let's go. Back to the running. As you're running in place, feel your feet pressing against the earth. And as you squat, pull yourself down as low as you can. Pull your glutes back and press your heel to the earth. Yes, and come up on your toes. And feel the bottoms of your feet again. Good. And back. Breathing in. Exhaling out. It's almost over. Only 1 minute of this, and I'm sweating. Good job. That's your focus. Yes.